FTC, Xbox, PlayStation, Activision Blizzard, and CMA merger analysis. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, Xbox, PlayStation, Activision Blizzard, and the Competition and Markets Authority, CMA, have agreed to a merger. This merger will combine the power of the two companies and create a more competitive market in the gaming industry. It is subject to approval by the CMA and the FTC. The merger will create a more competitive market in the gaming industry, which will benefit consumers. It will also create a more efficient market, which will reduce costs for the companies involved. The merger will also create more opportunities for innovation in the gaming industry. The merger is subject to approval by the Competition and Markets Authority and the Federal Trade Commission. If approved, the merger will have a significant impact on the gaming industry. It is likely that the merger will be beneficial for the gaming industry and its consumers. The merger between the FTC, Xbox, PlayStation, Activision Blizzard, and CMA is an important step in the gaming industry. It will create a more competitive market, which will benefit the consumer and the industry in the long run. The merger is subject to the approval of the Competition and Markets Authority and the Federal Trade Commission, so the impact it will have on the gaming industry will remain to be seen. However, it is likely that the merger will be beneficial for the gaming industry and its consumers.